Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can check your system configuration or how you can check your system properties. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open our PC or we have to make it on, and then as you can see in the desktop, you will be able to see that this PC option here. So we have to right click on this, and after right clicking on this, we have to go to the last option, which is called properties option. So we have to click on the properties, and after clicking on the properties option, as you can see, you will be able to see the options like this. As you can see, this is the device specifications, like the device name is provided here. The processor is core i5 7th generation. As you can see, this is core i5 and the 7th generation. You can check out the speed, like these are 3.40 gigahertz. As you can see, now the RAM is also provided here, 16 GB, device ID, product system, pen and touch, and the Windows options, Windows settings are also provided here. You can check out those, like the Windows 11 Pro version installed on OS build. Every option is provided here. If you want to control it, you can also do that. So in this way, you can check your device configuration or device specification. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.